morning, you guys. It is ham time. Is a GoPro for the inside car, and then this one is for walking around. Hey, where your camera at? So straight.
I think you make a right. I should be like doing spaces on the city stuff too.
I thought he was rolling with you guys.
I thought he was too.
He saw my Instagram and called me right away, and I was like, okay.
Hey Chris, say what's up to the channel.
Pig. That's hella bright.
Damn it, Dana. Wow. The minute we leave, she'll text me.
Yo, this color goes hard, bro. This car is stupid clean, I'll tell you that. Hell yeah.
How you doing, man? Good to see you.
Hey, we out here, bro. What's good?
What's up?
This shit's hella bad, bro. Is you right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the fucking fitment on the wheel.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, that shit is clean, bro.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I really love the fitment on this. You can't even see it, so damn dark, bro. Oh my goodness, it's bad, bro. R32 Skyline, shit. Oh, you guys know I gotta show some love to the EF chassis, bro. Check this out. It's got a half and half color. That's cool. Take all the stickers though.
You got some stickers on you, bro.
Hey,
Slap a couple on. Go ahead.
slap a couple on.
Slap a couple on anywhere you want.
Yeah. Caprice lowrider. All right. This is cool. This is cool.
Thank you.
Oh damn! It's all the way back here. Yo, you guys remember the homies? All right, let's stick one on. Oh, I was gonna do the gas cap. That's what I was gonna do right here. Right there.
You going live again tonight or what?
Always, bro. Oh, I tried to. I'll try to. Right there. Is that what under the hood? Sleeper out here? What? That's cool right there.
It's a K-block with a BK.
With a single cam trans, bro. Yo, this is cool, man. I like it. I like how you split it.
Looks like two different cars.
Yo, like two different cars, man. I can do a crime on this side and then this is cool. I like it. Got a hatch out here with the Wing West kit on. Man. Super slam sedan. Cream. I do see the homie's car over there. I'll show some love to that. B20 VTEC. I think this car runs like the 1250 index. I don't remember. Maybe even faster. I don't. It's been a cool minute. Mike Jones. Who? Bro, look at this. Stock looking. K-swap, power steering, AC. God damn. This was nice too. Dude, these look so good on these wheels. Damn. This guy's got his whole entire hot parts wrapped up. A little management going on. But look at these seats right here. These seats are probably worth like 10,000. Or at least what I've seen. Got the homie Jamil's car.
Hey, get back on your fly. Get back. Hey, HHWHH, come see him.
There's the homie Beck right here. He's camera shy. You guys want to follow him on Instagram? What's his Instagram?
Beck, BAEK 408. Follow him.
Yeah.
If you get to 1,000 followers, we're gonna give a free giveaway.
What car does he drive?
He drives a Turbo EK. Anyone wants to see him on the street? Makes about 600 horsepower. We'll street race it.
Yeah, with that old school T67.
With the old school T67.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, come catch a lane with this guy right here, man. You know what I'm saying? We got the homie Paper out here with his Type R. Yeah, my boy.
That is very. I am his boy.
Where the snail at though?
The snail. You know what? See, I don't want to tell nobody, but Hybrid Anthony has my whole turbo kit ready for me.
Oh, so you got it though.
Yeah, we're going turbo.
So that's why the sticker came out right here. I was like, wait a minute.
You have to have the vision before anything
Hey,
comes to fruition.
hey, that's what it is right there.
This is it.
This
So
is
the
it.
cat's out the bag now. Paper's going turbo. We're only gunning for 400 to 460, nothing more. This car got about 235 good tuners, a stock K24, but adding double the power, it's gonna be a demon because this shit is already a hellraiser.
Oh, I can tell you, it's gonna be a demon after. Yeah, we've been talking about this. If you guys remember in the last ham meet, man, Paper wanted to do some K stuff, and at the time, you didn't even have a turbo kit. No. Yeah, so now you locked in, so we know it's gonna happen.
Factory is the yeah.
Okay.
Precision turbo.
Okay.
Yeah, we got some good quality parts, man.
Man, I can't wait to see it, brother.
Man, look, I can't wait to drive this motherfucker.
I mean, you already do. At least you can know the difference when you go turbo. You're gonna know the 90 difference.
Yeah. I had the turbo RX-7 with the S2000 swap.
I remember that.
Turns out it was only running on 3 cylinders, and I just never got to see that motor in full potential. But now this is the rebuttal. This is the get back.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm saying the AP1's brother, Mr. K24. So you know we're gonna live for that motherfucker, man.
Hey y'all, if you guys are in the Bay Area, man, and you guys ever come to any of these meets or Week Fest or anything like that, bro, hey, catch Paper. Next time you guys might see him, he might have a turbo strap to this, so don't be slacking on him, bro. You know what I'm saying? I shot it for the stickers, man. I appreciate that.
It's all love, man.
Yeah. Any Integra Type R enthusiasts know what this is? I've never seen it before. Anyways, picking up Skunk 2 spark plug cover for the new build. Shout out to the homie Skunka.
Got you, bro.
You know what I'm saying? If you guys follow me on the gram, follow me on the gram. You guys, you literally had this car for how, like a week, 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yesterday, yeah.
This is a 96, 95.
96.
It's a 96 Type R with the big 4, and within the week, this guy did 5 lugs, CEs. You just put the red C's in it yesterday. And you still got the black ones for sale?
They're sold already.
Oh, they're sold already. This shit looks fire, dude. This guy out here is changing the 90, 96, 95 spec into like the 98 plus. Hey, your back seat's a little faded, just so you know. Bro, I don't remember the last time I seen a June valve cover. Man, if it ain't a Type R, it ain't a Type car. Oh my goodness. Damn, this shit's tucking, dude. I saw a fat intercooler, had to check it out. Man. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm really loving the simplicity of this one right here. They redid all the bumpers and trims and everything on the E-wings. ITBs, right-hand drive. This thing was turboed the last time I remembered it, I think. Clean EF hatch on RPF ones. B series, this one as well too. Man, I'll join that B series gang soon. Oh, this is the RT 4-wheel drive. If you guys watched the previous video, my buddy came through and dropped off that cylinder head, and we traded for some fenders. This is the car that the fender's going on, and check out that bacon, my boy. Hey, at least got some clean fenders. Dang. This car's gonna look so fresh, for real.
You a duck if you believe what hoes say. Thought a nigga said something.
Oh, look at these guys out here, boy. Fire lined up right here. Brotherhood. The homies come on too. Hey, shout out to the come on folks. I was driving behind this car and I thought it was stock as hell. But it's not stock. Damn. But damn. Is that a Supra?
He figured out how to get himself out of town.
So after we left the car meet, I drove like 40 minutes home, and I went to go grab my backpack with all my laptop and everything, and drove another 30-minute south to my sister's house because it is my nephew's birthday, the one that has a YouTube channel. So I brought my laptop just to get some editing done and, you know, enjoy some family time. So oh, they really got spaghetti here. They got the cathedral going on over here. All right, the Super Bowl is going a little crazy right now. So there's this TV here, and then there's this TV here. This one is about 10 seconds ahead. So you'd hear the celebration here before this side, which is kind of funny, but I gotta get my food on real quick because I ain't eating anything all day. Oh.
What is it? Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it, Evan?
What the? Is that the head?
What is it, Evan? What do you say?
Thank you, Mom. I think it's...
What the heck is that?
Show everybody. Show Grandpa what it looks like.
Yo.
Clothes on. Oh, there's socks. His socks.
Where's that filter from?
This stupid YouTube account called SML?
Yeah.
SML? Yeah. It says a lot of bad words.
Are these wannabe Adidas? Missing one stripe.
You got a diaper?
A diaper?
Yeah, he wears a diaper. What the?
Yeah, it's weird.
Is it a diaper or is it cloth?
No, you read it the wrong way. Ooh, sports.
Read the card.
What is that? Oh, it's okay. Ooh, oh, sure, Em. Oh.
Where's the trampoline?
Wow, 50 lang.
10!
Now that you're double digits, you're even more of a big deal than you were before.
Oh, he a big deal.
Happy
Big deal.
birthday, Grandpa. Oh,
Thank you, Grandpa.
thank you, Grandpa.
From the teachers.
Ooh, $20. Yay!
Emmett, did you put it in your wallet?
It's in his pit.
Oh. Take it out and put it right here. Say thank you. Make sure you say thank you to everybody.
Thank you. You guys said thank you.
He's strapped
Oh
up.
shit, Carson Wentz is on the chisel.
I can't open this.
Bro, this guy's got a unibrow.
Ooh, $20. Thank you. Hey.
$20.
Oh, Blue Robux and free merch. Let's read the card.
You play Fortnite, bro?
Yeah.
Barely.
On what?
Xbox.
Dylan, Liam, Ming Ming, Uncle Randy.
Oh, say thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, they focus on the Super Bowl. This one's from TJ.
Yeah, TJ.
TJ always adds like these things. Ooh. Wow, that's a lot of money. 20, 5, 30, or
We lost count.
30,
Dirty.
35,
35.
40.
He has a list. Leave him alone. Why? Yeah. He couldn't say his S's.
Yeah, Jackson didn't say his S's. Thank you, Mom. $20. Woo!